Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are in the kitchen with some of our leftover Halloween candy. You know, these bite-sized little candies are super versatile. I've seen people make cheesecakes using sweet tarts. I've seen people decorate using Twizzlers. You can make brownies using the Reese's peanut butter cups. But today we are making a really simple snack. We're using some of our chocolate candies and we're going to chop them up and put them into a candy cookie bar. And these are so easy to make and they are yummy to eat. You're gonna love it. The great thing about these candy cookie bars is you can use any kind of candy that you like. I'm a big fan of chocolate, so I'm going to go with some of the chocolate candies and we're going to chop them up and put them in a batter that's made from flour, oats, baking soda, baking powder, salt, butter, peanut butter, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, 2 eggs, and that's pretty much it. We're going to start by mixing our dry ingredients together. In a separate bowl, we are going to mix together our butter, peanut butter, eggs, sugars, and vanilla, and we're going to mix it until it's nice and creamy and smooth. And then we're going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, and that will make up our batter. We are then going to chop up our Halloween candy. We're going to need about 2 cups of Halloween candy. And my chocolate was melting all over the place when I was chopping this. It is October, and here in Arizona, that means it's still pretty hot. And even in the air conditioning, the candy was melting. So I would recommend putting it in the freezer or the refrigerator before starting to chop it, especially if it is a warm day. Once it's chopped up to the consistency that you prefer, then we're just going to mix it into our batter. The mixture then gets poured into a prepared baking pan. I'm using a glass cake pan that's been lined with parchment paper, but you can really use any kind of pan that you prefer. And as you can see, this is a pretty thick, stiff batter. We are going to press it into the pan so that it's nice and even. We want it to bake nice and evenly. When our batter is nice and smooth, we are going to pop it into a 350-degree oven and bake it for about 25 minutes. This Halloween treat is ooey gooey and super sweet. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For recipes, articles, and more videos, visit PennellCentral.com.